Hello everybody, welcome again to our course AutoCAD 2020. We will continue working on the basics command and AutoCAD. Now, in this lecture, we need to learn the rotate command. So let's go to the slide 17 to, for example, now let's delete this. And for example, now if we have a line, let's turn off the ortho mode, and we need to rotate this line. Okay, so we select this line and we go to here to rotate, or we press arrow on the keyboard. Now the software tell us to specify the base point of rotation. So for example, we choose this point and we can go and rotate this line manually, or we can directly type the measure of the angle that we want to put it. Okay, so we put 45 for example, so we have 45 degree now. Okay, if we go and measure the angle, so we have 45. Okay, also for example, very important thing, and rotate, if we need also, let's go before, if we have the same line and we go the same base point, we put -45, so we can get to the bottom the rotation from this clockwise direction, and the positive is and the contrary, okay, and the opposite clockwise direction of rotation. Okay, so this is a very important command. Also, for example, if we have this line and we have for example rotate for example 27, okay, and we have a rectangle, let's for rectangle to 0 here 0, okay, any rectangle. Okay, so we need to rotate this rectangle or any shape we have with the same rotation of this line, and we didn't know how much this line the angle of this line. Okay, instead of going and draw line here and draw line here and measure the angle and do the same angle here, we can go directly to here, move this rectangle to here. Okay, select the rectangle, rotate base point. Okay, we go to reference from this point to this point. Okay, and we go to here. Okay, so we rotate this rectangle with the same rotation of this line. Okay, this is a very important thing. And rotate command, we use reference and rotation. Okay, also for example, and rotation, we missed this thing. If we have arrow base point, okay, instead of we can go put copy, for example 45, okay, we can go do copy. For example, if we have, let's delete this arrow, copy 45. If we have, now we need to do 180. Now copy, sorry, rotate. Okay, so we can, instead of do rotation and delete the old shape, we can do copy and rotation. Okay, we can do anything that we want using rotation or other with other command. Okay, thank you for listening. We'll continue in the next lecture.